Welcome to Future Scholar Network, where curiosity meets clarity and learning never stops. Imagine a classroom where problems are solved in seconds, simulations run in parallel universes, and students explore the quantum realm, not just theoretically, but experientially. Quantum computing isn't just the future of technology, it's reshaping the future of education. What is quantum computing? Quantum computing uses the principles of quantum mechanics, superposition, entanglement, and interference to process information in ways classical computers simply can't. Instead of bits, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once. This means they can solve complex problems exponentially faster, from cryptography to climate modeling. Why it matters for education. So how does this impact education? Quantum computing is transforming how we teach, learn, and think. Critical thinking. Students engage with abstract concepts like uncertainty and probability in real-world contexts. STEM integration. Physics, computer science, and mathematics converge in hands-on quantum labs and simulations. Global collaboration. Quantum research demands interdisciplinary teamwork, preparing students for the future workforce. Immersive learning. Quantum-powered simulations allow learners to explore molecular biology, economics, and even philosophy in new dimensions. Real-world applications in classrooms. Leading universities and tech companies are already integrating quantum modules into their curricula. Platforms like IBM Quantum and Microsoft Azure Quantum offer cloud-based access to quantum processors, letting students experiment with real quantum algorithms. Even high school programs are beginning to introduce quantum logic through gamified learning and visual tools. Challenges and opportunities. Of course, quantum education faces hurdles. Limited access to hardware, a steep learning curve, and a shortage of trained educators, but these challenges are also opportunities to innovate, collaborate, and democratize quantum literacy. Quantum computing isn't just a technological leap, it's an educational revolution. By unlocking its potential, we're not just preparing students for the future, we're inviting them to shape it. Thanks for watching Future Scholar Network, where every question leads to discovery. Until next time, keep learning forward.